Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to solve this cube, and it's very easy, so let's get started. So as we can see, one corner is already solved. Now we want to do another. So we want to look for a white, blue, and something. Okay, so as we can see, this one is correct. There's white, blue, and red, right? But it's not in the correct place. This white is supposed to be on top, right? So what we do, we should move it down so that it comes here. Now we move this up, and now we put it back and this one back, so these ones don't get messed up, and now they're correct. Now we have to solve a white, orange, and something, right? So as we can see, there's a white, orange, and green. So we can twist it again. We have to put this up, and we put it back up. Now as we can see, all of the corners are already solved. If you didn't get all of these already solved, then I'm going to show you the next case. Now there's one other case where you can get two headlights over here, right? So you put that on the right, and so we can do our first algorithm. R prime, L, R, L. And now as we can see, all our corners are already solved. Now I'm gonna show you the other case. Now another case which you could get is the two yellows are diagonal to each other. So what you need to do for that, we put one yellow on our bottom left and one yellow on the top right, and now we do the algorithm: R prime, L, R, L prime. And now as we can see, this one, there are two headlights as we saw in our previous case, and now we can do the same algorithm: R prime, L, R, L prime. Now as we can see, all our corners are solved. So now we want to get our yellow solved, our yellow center on the top, right? So what do we need to do for that? We put the yellow on the back. Okay, we put the back. This is the back. So now we do R prime, L, R, L prime. Now flip 180 degrees, and now you do it again: R prime, L, R, L prime. Now as we can see, our yellow is solved, and we want to look for one that is solved. What I mean by that is like here. Okay, so we want this to be red, this to be green, orange, and blue red. And as you can see, this is opposite to each other. Okay, so we normally we would expect to see a solved one. No need to worry. Like this should be green. No need to worry about that. You put the yellow and white in between, and now you do this anywhere but between. So you do R prime, L, R, L prime, flip 180 degrees, R prime, L, R, L prime. Now as we can see, one side is already solved, right? So you put that on the bottom, and now we can see that there's an orange and blue, but we should look for the opposite color. So this should be orange. The opposite of orange here, let me show you my geometry. The opposite of orange, right? The opposite of orange is red, as we can see over here. So in our Skewb, we can see that it's orange and blue, but it's supposed to be orange and red. But don't worry, all we need to do is flip it 180 degrees, and as we can see, there's a blue and green, and as we know, blue, the opposite of blue is green. Okay, and so we put the red at the bottom, and we do R prime, L, R, R prime, flip 180 degrees, and we do our algorithm again, and it showed itself. R prime, L, R, R prime, and you solve the Skewb. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.